Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's everywhere: collagen. You see it in powders, drinks, creams, and pills, all promising to turn back the clock on your skin, hair, and joints. But what's the real story behind this so-called fountain of youth? Is it a miracle supplement or just masterful marketing? Stick with me, because we're about to uncover the hidden truth about collagen. First, let's get back to basics. What exactly is collagen? Think of it as the scaffolding of your body. It's the most abundant protein we have, making up about 30% of our total protein content. It's the main structural component of our skin, bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. It's literally the glue that holds everything together. The word collagen even comes from the Greek word kolla, which means glue. Our bodies naturally produce collagen, but here's the catch. Starting in our mid to late 20s, that production begins to decline. This decline is a key factor in the common signs of aging, like wrinkles, sagging skin, and achy joints. Lifestyle factors like too much sun exposure, smoking, and a high-sugar diet can accelerate this process even further. So the idea behind taking a collagen supplement is simple. If our bodies are making less, why not just top it up? It makes sense on the surface, but the biological reality is a bit more complicated. When you eat or drink collagen, whether it's from bone broth or a fancy supplement, your body doesn't just absorb it whole and send it straight to your skin. That's not how digestion works. Your digestive system breaks down the collagen protein into its smaller building blocks, which are amino acids and smaller chains called peptides. Your body then absorbs these building blocks and uses them wherever they're needed most. It can't distinguish between the amino acids from a collagen powder and the amino acids from a piece of chicken or a handful of beans. Your body just sees the raw materials and sends them to repair a muscle, build an enzyme, or yes, maybe even create new collagen. The big question is, does taking extra collagen actually tell your body to make more collagen for your skin and joints? This is where the debate really heats up. Now let's talk about the different types of collagen supplements you see on the shelf. The most common are types I, 2, and 3. Type Y is the most prevalent in our bodies and is key for skin, bone, and connective tissue health. Type 2 is mainly found in cartilage, so it's often marketed for joint support. Type 3 is the second most abundant type in our tissues and is often found alongside type 1. When you see a supplement labeled hydrolyzed collagen or collagen peptides, it means the collagen has already been broken down into smaller, more easily absorbable pieces. This is the form you'll find in most powders and drinks. The theory is that these specific peptides might act as signaling molecules, prompting your body's cells to ramp up their own collagen production. It's a fascinating idea, and it's what a lot of the current research is focused on. So what does the science actually say? This is where it gets interesting. There have been a number of promising studies, especially in recent years. Several double-blind, placebo-controlled trials, the gold standard of research, have shown that taking hydrolyzed collagen supplements for a few months can lead to measurable improvements in skin elasticity, hydration, and a reduction in the appearance of fine lines. For example, one review published in the Journal of Drugs in Dermatology looked at multiple studies and concluded that oral collagen supplements can indeed increase skin elasticity and hydration with a good safety profile. Similarly, for joint health, some research suggests that collagen supplementation, particularly type 2, can help reduce joint pain in athletes and individuals with osteoarthritis. The idea here is that the peptides may help reduce inflammation and stimulate cartilage repair. However, we need to look at this with a critical eye. Many of these studies are small, and some are funded by the very companies that manufacture the supplements. This doesn't automatically invalidate the results, but it's something to be aware of. We're also talking about modest improvements, not miraculous transformations. You're not going to take collagen for a month and suddenly look 20 years younger. The effects are subtle and accumulate over time. Also, we still don't fully understand the exact mechanism. Are the benefits from the specific collagen peptides, or is it simply from providing the body with a high-quality source of the necessary amino acids? The jury is still out on that. It's also important to remember that the supplement industry is largely unregulated. This means the quality, dosage, and purity of collagen products can vary wildly from one brand to another. So if you're thinking about trying collagen, what should you look for? First, opt for hydrolyzed collagen or collagen peptides for better absorption. Second, look for a reputable brand that uses third-party testing to verify its purity and potency. This ensures you're not getting a product contaminated with heavy metals or other unwanted substances. Check the source of the collagen. It can come from cows, bovine, chickens, avian, fish, marine, or even pigs, porcine. Marine collagen, for instance, is primarily type 1 and is often praised for its high bioavailability, meaning it's absorbed very efficiently by the body. But if you have a fish allergy, you'd want to avoid it. Pay attention to the dosage. Most studies showing positive results use a daily dose of anywhere from 2.5 to 15 grams. But here's the most important hidden truth of all. Supplements are not a magic bullet. You cannot supplement your way out of a poor lifestyle. The most effective way to support your body's natural collagen production is from the inside out, through a balanced and nutrient-rich diet. Your body needs several key nutrients to synthesize collagen. The most famous is vitamin C. Without vitamin C, your body simply cannot produce collagen, so loading up on citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli is non-negotiable. Other important nutrients include zinc, found in nuts, seeds, and whole grains, and copper, found in shellfish and dark leafy greens. Eating a protein-rich diet is also crucial because it provides the essential amino acids, the building blocks we talked about earlier. So a diet rich in lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, and legumes is fundamental. And don't forget about protecting the collagen you already have. This is just as important as trying to build more. The number one enemy of collagen is ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Unprotected sun exposure creates free radicals that break down collagen fibers at an alarming rate. So wearing a broad-spectrum sunscreen every single day, rain or shine, is the best anti-aging secret there is. Limiting your sugar intake is also vital. Excess sugar in your bloodstream can lead to a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to proteins like collagen, making them stiff and weak. This is another major contributor to premature aging. Finally, things like smoking and excessive stress also wreak havoc on your collagen levels. So what's the verdict? Is collagen a scam or a savior? The truth, as it often is, lies somewhere in the middle. Collagen supplements are not a magical cure-all, but they aren't completely useless either. The evidence suggests they can offer modest, supportive benefits for skin and joint health, especially when used consistently over several months. However, they should be viewed as exactly what they are: a supplement. They are meant to supplement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. If you're eating a nutrient-poor diet, not protecting your skin from the sun, and not managing your stress, no amount of collagen powder is going to save you. But if you're already doing all the right things, eating a balanced diet rich in protein and vitamin C, wearing your sunscreen, and living a healthy lifestyle, then a high-quality collagen supplement might just give you that extra little boost. It could be the cherry on top of your well-built health and wellness cake. The key is to have realistic expectations and to prioritize the fundamentals first. Focus on a whole foods diet, sun protection, and a healthy lifestyle. If you have those foundations in place and want to explore supplementation, do your research, choose a reputable brand, and give it time to work. Don't expect overnight results. This is about long-term support for your body. The best approach is always a holistic one. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this cleared up some of the confusion surrounding collagen. What are your experiences with it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into health and wellness. See you in the next one.